7 social media marketing digital product store ideas you can sell to make passive income. So, you want to make a passive income? Earn money even while you sleep? You want to have more time, independence, and flexibility. One of the best ways to do this is by selling digital products on Etsy. In this video, I'll share with you the top 7 social media marketing digital products that you can sell to make passive income. If you've been shopping on Etsy for a long, you've definitely seen digital goods and digital downloads. These are layouts that people can download without purchasing a physical printed product. Examples include flyers, invitations, birthday cards, logos, picture presets, and other digital items. One of the main benefits of selling digital goods is that you only need to create them once, and you may essentially sell goods forever. Etsy also lets you distribute digital items so you don't have to waste time dealing with shipping. Hi there, welcome to Make Wired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. Make Wired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. Do you love creating beautiful designs and templates? Do you want to know how to earn money while doing something you love? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. Whether you've been selling digital products on Etsy for some time now, or you just want to get started, you can learn many ideas in this video. So, make sure to finish this video by the end because I will share tips and tricks to help you level up your business. Digital goods on Etsy have the advantage of being extremely low risk and high potential reward. You develop an item once to sell it repeatedly. And even if you don't sell a single one, you won't lose money because there are no supplies or printing costs involved, as there would be with a physical product. You don't need to make any effort to maintain your business functioning well because the files are sent instantly and automatically. If you make any modifications along the line, you must stay on top of consumer inquiries and maintain your files and labels up to date. Number 1, branded marketing assets. Okay, so we'll go first with online marketing tools for businesses. First on the list are branded marketing assets. These would be templates you design, which others may customize in Canva or another tool before printing and using for their businesses. These might be anything such as a template for a thank you card, a social media flyer, gift cards like crafted with love, or instructions cards. People need various flyers and cards in their businesses for packaging. Moreover, they usually lack the skills in graphic design to complete the task themselves. So, they are searching for a template to buy instead. You can just use Canva to make these designs, post a listing on Etsy, and wait for people to buy your templates. That's not so hard, right? Number 2, mockups. Mockups are another digital product that business owners need. A mockup is a plain product picture they may use to display their brands and add their design. Mockups are an excellent digital product if you have any photography skills. These images might be of ornaments, empty wood frames for art prints, empty cups, blank t-shirts, or empty mugs. Mockups exist for almost anything. For a head start, search for mug mockup or t-shirt mockup on Etsy to see what designs are trending. Do your research and look at what is selling right now. If you're providing mockups, ensure you're photographing particular branded goods. You want to ensure that you get the specific brand of product the buyer would be using and mark it as such on your shop. Number 3, Instagram story highlight icons. If you use Instagram, you know your profile's look is everything because branding requires so much labor. Many people opt just to buy pre-made branding materials to use on their Instagram profiles. The story highlight icons are one of the best examples. It would be easy for you to create and sell this if you have any experience with graphic design. One sales strategy you can use when making these icons is to provide the customer with various colors and items they can mix and match. To make your designs coherent, choose a theme or color scheme. The key here is coherence, the overall look of the Instagram profile, and story highlights and posts. Here, I'd suggest concentrating on making icons for particular profile types or visual styles. Instagram users tend to have specific profile types. So, it may be a real estate company, it may be a food related Instagram, it may be exclusively about animals, travel, or freelancing. Do preliminary research to determine the kinds of profiles you may base your theme on. You may design it with a certain aesthetic, such as a bohemian vibe, a minimalist style, florals, or watercolors. However, consider how the icons seem and the general class of the Instagram account you are marketing to. Number 4, social media content creator package. The next thing we have here is a social media content creator package. This is similar to the Instagram highlights templates, except with this package, you're providing ready to use, editable templates that people can buy and use on Canva. They can use these templates to publish on Instagram later, whether a story or a feed post. I suggest you offer both in one package. You can just go to Canva because it has preset sizes for both the Instagram story and Instagram post. Pick the one you wish to create and then make a lovely design using your images and designs. Number 5, graphics and clipart. Aside from templates, you can also sell graphics or clipart images. Cliparts are different from templates because these digital goods are designing materials or elements. Basically, you create something from scratch and sell it as your original content. Unlike templates, where you already have clipart and graphics and just need to arrange them into a beautiful design. So, it can be pretty challenging, especially if you don't have experience creating graphics. Therefore, these clipart pieces might be anything, such as a brush stroke, a watercolor circle, greenery and foliage, balloons, rainbows, cats, and dogs. In this area, you might sell a wide variety of designs. Bonus tip: holiday-related clipart frequently does well on the market. You might want to create and sell something related to a specific holiday or celebration. Number 6, social media content digital planner. Businesses today understand social media's crucial role in an efficient inbound marketing plan. With so many social media channels at our disposal, it's critical to maintain organization and have a strategy for when and what you plan to publish online. Hence, a social media content digital planner is an essential tool for companies. You can create calendar templates that people can customize according to their needs. You can also add trackers to your template so people stay organized and productive. Number 7, digital stickers. Last but not least, we have digital stickers. This is also a marketing material and packaging that businesses may include in their products. Digital stickers are typically sold in sets. People use them as a critical markers for dates and occasions, but their uses go well beyond that. Additionally, they're helpful for presentations, online chats, digital flashcards, and desktop sticky notes wherever you want to add some digital flair. You may create these stickers using Canva or any other graphic making platforms. Okay, now that you know what to sell on your Etsy, it's time to learn a few hacks to up your Etsy digital goods shop. As I mentioned earlier, I'll give you tips and tricks that will definitely help you sell more. Tip number 1, offer your goods as a bundle. Selling your digital goods in sets and bundles is quite one of the best tricks to sell your content. If you can provide several items in one listing, this will increase your earnings. Think of it as freebies. Like when someone buys your social media content digital planner, They also get digital stickers. This would entice people to purchase your templates because they can customize your product and get the most out of their money. Tip number 2: format the correct file type. Ensure you're providing the correct file formats for the goods you're selling. You should format the sort of file for the digital file for that specific kind of goods, whether it's a PDF file, a PNG file, or a JPEG file. Tip number 3: include a buyer's guide or instructions. Think of this as part of your customer support. A PDF file instruction that comes in your package is always helpful. Whether your customer has to download and cut something, print the digital product in a certain way, or if it's anything editable that they open and customize in Canva. It's really simple to make a PDF file that customers can download with their purchase, with detailed instructions. This way, they know what exactly to do after making a purchase and downloading your content. Bonus tip: add printable wall art. If you want to motivate your customers in their activities and goals, try to give them printable wall art. This is also part of your customer service, in which you provide not just good products but also good service. Add printable wall art to your packages as part of your freebies. These wall arts should be motivational and empowering for everyone. So, for example, your customer is a female entrepreneur. Give her a wall art that says, "I am my own boss," or some other motivational and positive affirmations. This way, you can get regular customers and build a positive relationship with them. So, there you have it. You can sell these 7 social media marketing digital products to make passive income. Aside from earning money, you can also express your talent and creativity with these products. You can definitely hone your digital artistic skills. Want to know more about how to make passive income online? Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!